UPSC Civil Services Exam, CSE, for IAS or IPS is a rigorous process, but with a structured approach, dedication, and smart strategies, you can make it achievable. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Understand the UPSC exam structure. The UPSC CSE has 3 stages: preliminary exam, prelims, mains exam, mains, and the personality test, interview. Prelims consists of 2 objective type papers, General Studies, GS, and the Civil Services Aptitude Test, CSAT. Mains includes 9 descriptive papers, essay, 4 GS papers, 2 optional papers, and 2 qualifying language papers. Interview, a personality test that assesses your personality, values, and judgment. 2. Choose the right optional subject. Pick a subject you are genuinely interested in or have prior knowledge of. This could be from your graduation background or an area you are passionate about. Research the syllabus, availability of resources, and guidance options for each optional subject before deciding. 3. Familiarize yourself with the syllabus. Download the full UPSC syllabus and keep a printed copy handy. Highlight essential topics for each subject. Break the syllabus down into manageable sections to ensure comprehensive coverage. 4. Create a realistic study plan. Divide your preparation into daily, weekly, and monthly goals. Allocate time for revision and answer writing practice. Focus on consistency. Study for 6 to 8 hours daily with balanced breaks to avoid burnout. 5. Build a strong foundation with NCERT books. Start with NCERT textbooks, Class 6 to 12, for subjects like history, geography, polity, economy, and science. These books provide conceptual clarity. Gradually move to advanced books and reference materials after completing NCERTs. 6. Choose and stick to limited resources. Avoid getting overwhelmed by too many books. Stick to trusted resources for each subject. Some standard resources include Lakshmikant's Polity, Spectrum for Modern History, G.C. Leong's Geography, and Ramesh Singh's Indian Economy. 7. Stay updated with current affairs. Read a reliable newspaper daily, like the Hindu or Indian Express. Use monthly current affairs compilations from trusted coaching centers and PIB releases. Focus on issues rather than news, and make concise notes on each topic. 8. Develop answer writing skills. Practice writing answers within the word limit, especially for the mains exam. Try to structure answers with an introduction, body, and conclusion. Use diagrams, flowcharts, and relevant examples to make your answers stand out. 9. Practice mock tests and previous papers. For prelims, practice as many MCQ-based mock tests as possible to build accuracy and speed. For mains, take full-length answer writing tests on a regular basis. Analyze previous year's papers to understand the type and depth of questions asked. 10. Prepare for the interview, personality test. Develop strong opinions on current affairs and practice articulating them logically. Work on communication skills, body language, and confidence. Stay informed about your background, hometown, and state, as questions may relate to these areas. 11. Revise regularly and focus on weak areas. Make quick revision notes, mind maps, and flashcards for last-minute revision. Spend extra time strengthening weaker subjects or topics where you lack confidence. 12. Maintain mental and physical well-being. Include regular physical exercise and relaxation techniques, such as meditation, to stay focused and reduce stress. Surround yourself with positive influences, and avoid distractions like excessive social media usage. 13. Evaluate and adapt. Regularly assess your progress and adapt your strategy if needed. Self-analysis is crucial to identify what works best for you. Final tips. Stay consistent and disciplined, as this journey can be long and challenging. Believe in your abilities, keep a positive mindset, and remember that determination is key. With a solid plan and continuous effort, passing the UPSC IAS IPS becomes a clear and achievable goal.